Hi, and welcome to Deel. We're so excited to have you on board. In this video, we're going to take you through some of the key information that is specific to your onboarding as an Ireland employee. We'll be covering topics including general Ireland information, your proof of work, your personal public service number, and your personal retirement savings account. If you are an Irish or UK citizen, you will have to upload a copy of your passport, whether it's in the UK or Ireland, with an expiration date of at least 3 days in the future. If you are not an Irish or UK citizen, but you are a citizen of the EU, you will have to upload a copy of your EU passport with an expiration date of at least 3 days in the future. If you are not Irish, UK, or an EU citizen, you will have to upload your residence permit, which allows you to work in Ireland. This will be reviewed by our global mobility team. Please apply for your PPSN as soon as you can. You can do so by visiting mywelfare.ie website. This is required for payroll. A personal retirement savings account, or PRSA, is a type of long-term personal pension plan. It is like an investment account that is designed to let you save for a retirement in a flexible way. You will be able to fill out the PRSA opt-in letter as part of your onboarding, or even after you've onboarded if you would like to. Our payroll team will then take care of your enrollment. Thank you for taking the time to learn more about your onboarding with Deel. We hope you found it useful.